Hey guys, this is Eric.
And this is Jen.
Of Farpoint Farms. We're on the road. We're headed to Denton for a HamFest. Denton, Georgia. Dalton, Georgia. That's a good thing she's here. Anyway, we came across this place. This is
Grumpies Antiques.
And antique cars, like awesome cars. So we've already been inside, but we decided to film this because it's just so awesome. But you're not going to believe what's going on inside this place. How long have we been here?
An hour, hour and a half.
Yeah, seriously. It's that cool. And it's in the middle of, well, I mean, it's somewhere for somebody, but for us, I'd consider nowhere. It's off of I-75.
Just south of Chattanooga.
Yeah, what was it? Exit 442?
341, something like that.
Something like that. Anyway, you ought to check it out if you get through here. We spent about 25 bucks here, and if Jen hadn't been here, I'd have spent probably 25,000 maybe.
Or more.
Yeah.
Or more.
Anyway, check it out. I hope you enjoy it. We had to be kind of quiet while inside filming, but they did allow us to film, so thanks to them as well. All right, so straight up jackpot here. This is the Coney Island steamer. These things are so awesome. I saw this on Crazy Russian Hacker, whatever his name was, and he cooked hot dogs on it. I've been looking for one of these things forever. This one is brand new in the box, never used, has the manual, 20 bucks. It's coming home, so stay tuned for a video on this one later on.
And the only reason I let him get it because it actually will fit in the car, unlike all the other things he wanted to buy.
This place just goes on for miles. Check it out. And this is just the one floor.
Sorry for the shaky cam. Don't have a good camera with us.
Probably making everyone dizzy. It just goes
on and on and on.
This place is huge. And this is just like a quarter of it, man. Grumpies. Pretty cool. Check it out, Mower Junkie. I know you're a fan of these things just as much as I am. I don't even know. It's got a Craftsman 18 horsepower, but like I don't know what this is. I think it's a Ford, but pretty cool.
If you know what it is, please leave it in the comments below.
Oh my God. Oh, Enduros, dirt bikes of the era that I grew up in, and little ones, like not big motorcycles, but like 110s, 150s, 225s. I'm going to start drooling here any second.
It's a good thing that we have a very, very small car that we drove here today, because none of this is going home with us.
This is the Holley Economaster Carburetor Center here. And I guess they used to have a catalog here. You could roll through and pick out maybe jets or different, economy labeled carburetors for your 60s car moving into the gas crisis of the 70s. I don't know. I've never seen it, but it looks like it lights up, or it did once upon a time anyway. Pretty cool stuff.
We had Tonka trucks growing up, but I never realized they actually had a Tonka plane. It's pretty cool.
All right, now seriously, if my wife wasn't here, I would totally be taking this thing home. It is a hot dog and bun warmer. It's only $25, and honestly, who doesn't love hot dogs, right? And they even got CBs here. This is so cool. Grumpy's got used classic cars, like antiques galore, and even some cool car-related stuff like CB radios. I'm going to be here for an hour, there's no doubt. Oh man. This is a genuine gold mine. You gotta see all these awesome cars they've got here.
Eric refused to buy me this car that I wanted.
I was in heaven, and like I said, if Jen wasn't there, I'd have bought every car you can see here. This place is just amazing. I mean, we did some audio while we were there, but I just figured I'd show you some of this footage where we weren't actually talking over it. And it's incredible. Like, it has his and her stuff all over the place.
It's a good thing we took Eric's little Mirage, because he wanted to buy a whole bunch of stuff and take it home. But I kept using the excuse that we didn't have the room for it.
Yeah, there were some vintage motorcycles that I was really trying to figure out, hey, could I disassemble this enough to stuff it in the back seat? There were some vending machines that looked like they would work great right out front of the shop.
Again, all the cars Eric kept drooling over. That truck was really nice. He's not a huge Chevy fan, but he did lust over this truck a little bit.
Yeah, those 60s models are pretty sweet. The square bodies, they're growing on me slowly, but I grew up in an era of square bodies, so they weren't that impressive. This old Craftsman bandsaw, though, was beautiful.
Yeah, Eric was just in pure heaven. I resisted the temptation to buy any of the cookwares there, even though I could have put them to good use.
But we did get that hot dog steamer, so it's not a total loss.
If it wasn't so far away, I can see Eric going to this almost every weekend, but it's probably better that we do live farther away.
Yeah, and you can see here vintage hand tools, vintage like Craftsman type hand tools. Some cigar boxes were there too. And check out this ancient go-kart or like push cart. That Mustang was sweet.
Look, you can get CBs even not at a HamFest.
This whole Jim Beam like Volkswagen bottle was pretty cool. Star Wars stuff. Oh, there's those motorcycles again. Oh yeah.
It's definitely something for everyone here.
Yeah, so we recommend Grumpies. Grumpies was pretty darn cool. There's Jen with her dream car again. And that'll wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you're ever in the area, you should check them out.